Is OnPay a startup? Have you ever wondered about this? It's a question that's been buzzing around the tech community for a while now. And let me tell you, it's a question with a lot of depth. Imagine a company that's been around for decades, but has recently undergone a massive transformation. It's like watching an old friend reinvent themselves, shedding their old skin and emerging as something entirely new. That's the story of OnPay. OnPay has been a staple in the Nigerian financial landscape for years. It's the company behind the popular OnPay cards, which have been used by millions of Nigerians for everything from shopping to bill payments. But in recent years, OnPay has been making some bold moves that have raised eyebrows and sparked a lot of debate. Is OnPay a startup? So, is OnPay a startup? The answer isn't as simple as a yes or no. It's a complex question with no easy answer. To understand why, we need to take a closer look at what defines a startup. Defining a startup. A startup is typically defined as a young company that is developing a new product or service. Startups are often characterized by their innovative approach, their risk-taking attitude, and their rapid growth. OnPay's transformation. OnPay certainly fits the bill when it comes to innovation and rapid growth. The company has been introducing new products and services at a breakneck pace. They've launched a mobile app, a digital wallet, and even a peer-to-peer lending platform. These are all classic moves of a startup. But here's the catch. However, there's one major factor that sets OnPay apart from a typical startup. Its history. OnPay has been around for decades. It has a deep-rooted presence in the Nigerian market. This established position can be both a blessing and a curse. The benefits of established presence. On the one hand, OnPay's established presence gives it a significant advantage. It has a loyal customer base and a strong brand reputation. This can help the company attract investors and partners. The challenges of established presence. On the other hand, OnPay's established presence can also be a challenge. It can be difficult for a company with a long history to adapt to the fast-paced world of startups. There's a risk of becoming too bureaucratic and losing its entrepreneurial spirit. The hybrid model. In light of these factors, it's perhaps more accurate to describe OnPay as a hybrid. It's a company that has the characteristics of both a startup and a traditional corporation. It's innovative and agile, but it also has the stability and resources of a well-established company. The future of OnPay. The future of OnPay is uncertain. It remains to be seen whether the company can successfully navigate the challenges of its hybrid status. But one thing is clear. OnPay is a fascinating case study that raises important questions about the nature of startups and the future of the financial technology industry. So, is OnPay a startup? The answer is, it's complicated. While the company exhibits many of the characteristics of a startup, its established presence and long history set it apart. Ultimately, the label is less important than the company's ability to innovate and succeed in a rapidly changing market. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.